Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain on Ladder. So if the app is draining your battery quickly, the cause is usually continuous video playback, Apple Watch syncing, heart rate tracking, Bluetooth or background activity during workouts. So actually guys, first we'll need to lower the screen brightness. So workout apps keep the screen awake for long periods, which heavily impacts battery life. So you'll need to reduce the brightness to around 30% or 50%. Okay, so it's up to you. And also guys, you will need to enable the auto brightness if available, and disable always the on display during workout on your Apple Watch and Samsung watches. So always on display significantly increases battery drain during long session. And guys, you will need also to use the downloaded workouts instead of streaming. So streaming video continuously uses the Wi-Fi and mobile data, the CPU and GPU, the screen rendering. So if Ladder supports offline playback for your workouts, download session before training. And I do really advise you to turn off unnecessary Bluetooth devices like the headphones, heart rate straps, speakers, wearables, extra. So all consume additional power during the workout. And why not closing the background apps so the fitness apps already use, like the video playback, timers, sensors, health syncing, extra. So closing and used apps reduces memory and battery usage. How so? You only just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up completely the apps that you no longer need to use or you don't want to use them currently. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.